the stagger step, one of the more effective beginner steps where one foot is slightly in front of the other. That'll be the focus of this video. So you're looking at Heather Wagner, and I am Tim Haft from Punk Rope. And Heather's showing you the stagger step, but she's going to back it up to the beginning by putting her rope down on the ground. Okay. Now we're in industrial Greenpoint, so apologies for the noise, but we're going to do our best, guys. So Heather's going to get into her good posture. Elbows are in tight, and she's going to take one foot forward. So we're going to show this from both the front and the side. I think Heather's preferred stance is to have her front heel just a little bit forward of her back toes. There's a little more space than that, but that's fine. As that foot creeps forward, it becomes a more challenging step. So you got to find what's optimal for you. We suggest keeping it a small range of motion at first. Good, and you'll try it with the left in the lead and also with the right in the lead. Okay, so that's step one, just getting comfortable with the foot position and your posture. And then step two is going to be picking up the rope. Now Heather's got a Green Day punk rope. Hopefully it's going to show up enough for this video. And she's right-handed, so she's got it in her right hand. And step two is going to be swinging the rope to the side, so that's your windmill swing, while performing the stagger step. Now the stagger step is the precursor to the scissors, so it's not super complicated coordination-wise, but it's the first step in the beginner series where your feet are split. And in that sense it's important. And then Heather can switch hands, so she can also practice with her left, which is her non-dominant. And again, this is just to get the feel of performing the movement while spinning the rope. No chance really of missing at this stage, right? Right. Wrong. Anything can happen. And anything will happen. Okay, so now Heather's comfortable. So she's going to take one handle in each hand, and she'll start with the basic bounce. Always start with the basic bounce, feet together. Perfect. And then when she's ready, and there's always going to be a miss. It's nothing to worry about. When she's ready, she's going to slide one foot forward. Okay, so it's her left foot to start. And after several jumps, she can bring that left foot back. Good, and then sliding the right foot forward. Awesome, and you see she's in great posture, elbows are in tight. Head is up. Nice flex in the knees. Good. And then guys, we're going to show this to you from the side so you can get another angle of it. And I'll close in a little bit on the feet. So there you go. And there you see that left foot just about a foot forward or so. And now Heather's switched. She's got her right foot forward. So really nice step for building calf endurance.
I am feeling it in my calves.
And again, a great precursor to any of the steps that involve moving the legs independently. So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for joining us. If you like what you saw, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at punkrope.com. And if you have any questions about the stagger step or anything else, just jot them down in the comments below and we'll answer them as soon as we can. We'll see you next time.